It's not uncommon for your water heater to make noise while it's running. Water heater sounds can be pretty innocuous and may require no attention or action on your part. However, there are some noises water heaters make that indicate a serious problem. Let's explore 5 possible reasons your water heater may be making these noises. 1. Sediment accumulation. A prevalent cause of water heater noises is sediment buildup at the tank's bottom. This layer of minerals creates popping or rumbling sounds as water navigates the sediment. Routine flushing of your water heater is essential for preventing such accumulation and preserving its quiet operation. 2. Heating element issues. Electric water heaters may experience scale on the heating elements, resulting in sizzling or hissing sounds. Regular maintenance, including professional cleaning or replacement of the element by our certified technicians, ensures optimal performance. 3. Water pressure fluctuations. Varying or high water pressure can cause banging or knocking noises, known as water hammer. Implementing pressure-reducing valves or expansion tanks can effectively resolve this issue, ensuring your system runs smoothly. 4. Loose plumbing connections. A simple yet common issue, loose connections can lead to a rattling as water flows. Securing these connections is a straightforward fix to eliminate such disturbances. 5. Gas valve vibrations. In gas water heaters, incorrect gas valve settings can cause vibrations or humming. It's crucial for efficiency and safety to have these adjusted by our professional team. In all these scenarios, Indoor Air Quality stands ready to assist. Our dedication to customer satisfaction, backed by our extensive experience and commitment to ongoing education in the HVAC field, ensures your water heater issues are resolved promptly and effectively. Since 2001, Indoor Air Quality has provided heating and cooling services to homeowners in the Denver metro area. Check out our customer testimonials, contact us, or use our online contact form for more information and a free quote.